with Keller Williams Village Square and Dean the Mortgage Guy for our Mortgage Minute. So, big question, where are rates going?
And where are they headed? Let's tackle both. Well, rates generally right now are in the high sixes. So still pretty good, but we do expect them to get better. Why? Because rates always over history follow inflation. When inflation goes up, which it has, that sent rates into the sevens.
Right.
We know that inflation is coming down. We just don't know when, probably in the next year or less. Interest rates are going to follow and get lower, and most experts are saying into the fives.
Wonderful, wonderful news. So hang in there. Good times definitely coming. And this is Only Orly with Dean the Mortgage Guy with great advice.